Now that you have completed the lesson, we're coming to the chart for there, and there. It is at the top of the page. You will see which page it is on based on what I gave you, because that can change sometimes. So remember that we're writing really small because we do want our clues to fit into the box. And so what we're going to put here is the cue that we use when we're trying to figure out which there we're using. So for THERE, we say here. I'm going to write down here. Again, you have to write tiny. So those of you with big handwriting, you have to do some squeezing. Okay. For THEIR, we say hour. And again, this is our cheat sheet after the lesson. And for THEY apostrophe RE, we say they are. Make sure you have all three of those written down. Make sure that you've gone into your writing and looked for a couple of places where you can find that. And you're ready for your next lesson.